Hello everyone! Is your car struggling to accelerate, consuming more fuel, or feeling like it's slipping while driving? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0741, torque converter clutch circuit performance, or stuck off, this means your vehicle's torque converter clutch isn't engaging properly, leading to transmission issues. In this video I'll explain what P0741 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this problem. Let's get started. The P0741 trouble code appears when the Powertrain Control Module detects that the torque converter clutch is not engaging properly or is stuck in the off position. If this issue isn't fixed, it can cause overheating, poor fuel economy, and transmission damage. Slipping transmission, increased fuel consumption. Check engine light on RPMs fluctuating at steady speeds. Transmission overheating, delayed or harsh shifting. If you're facing these symptoms, let's check the exact location of the critical components causing this issue. To diagnose P0741, check these important components: torque converter, clutch solenoid. Location: inside the transmission valve body, usually near the transmission pan. Function: engages and disengages the torque converter clutch to improve fuel efficiency. Torque converter, turbine speed sensor. Location: mounted on the transmission housing, near the torque converter. Function: measures the speed of the torque converter to ensure proper engagement. Transmission input. Speed sensor. Location: near the input shaft of the transmission. Function: compares input speed with output speed for smooth shifting. Transmission control module or powertrain control module. Location: usually found under the hood, near the firewall or battery. Function: manages transmission operation by processing signals from sensors. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the TCC solenoid sensors and PCM. Function: ensures stable signal transmission. Damaged wiring can cause signal loss or errors. Common causes of P0741: faulty torque converter clutch, TCC solenoid. If it fails, the clutch won't engage. Wiring or connector issues: damaged, loose, or corroded wiring can cause intermittent issues. Dirty or low transmission fluid. Old or contaminated fluid can block solenoid function. Faulty torque converter turbine speed sensor. Incorrect sensor readings can trigger this code. Internal transmission issues. A worn-out torque converter or clutch may need replacement. PCM/TCM software problems. A software update or reprogramming may be needed in rare cases. How to fix P0741. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect the TCC solenoid and wiring. Look for damaged or corroded connectors. Step 3. Test the torque converter turbine speed sensor. Use a multimeter to check voltage. Step 4. Inspect the input speed sensor. Compare sensor readings to detect inconsistencies. Step 5. Examine the torque converter. A failing converter may need replacement. Step 6. Check PCM/TCM connections. Ensure they are clean and properly connected. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. If left unfixed, P0741 can lead to serious transmission problems. Identifying the faulty component early can save you from costly repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0738, torque converter turbine speed sensor circuit intermittent. P0739, torque converter turbine speed sensor circuit. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.